we are going to design and assemble a 3-jaw puller. See, this is the 3-jaw puller. This is threaded rod and this is the puller. With the help of puller we can extract any kind of bearing. This is especially bearing puller. So let's see how to do in SolidWorks. I hope you like it. Now here we will make the first part of puller, 3-jaw puller, jaws. So let's start. Choose right plane, sketch, and select center line. And somewhere start from here and just pass through a line. Make sure it is passes through origin. That's it. Select line up to this line and draw a half circle. Okay. Now select this 3 line and make relation symmetric. Now this geometry is symmetric. Draw a vertical line. Select circle and draw 5 circles here and equal distance and equal diameter. Now just select this 5 circle and select equal. Okay. Now first define the gap distance from origin point 152.4 mm and the distance from here to this point 42.86.25 mm and make the radius 15.875 by 2 mm and the radius of inner circle keep 7 mm or diameter keep 7 mm. Now we will define the distance between these two circles 25 by 4 mm, the same 25 by 4 mm. .8 mm and the last one from third one 50.8 mm. Now this geometry is defined. Now choose here center point arc. Start to draw a circle. Okay. Just draw a center line. Make this angle 30 degrees. Select a line. Connect with this line up to here and draw a circle. Connect here. Exit. Now make one relation. Tangent. Okay. Now define the gap. Mm. And define the radius 15.875 mm. Okay. And delete this circle because this circle center should not be there. Select center point and just below this and connect with this line. Now okay, just define the radius 25 by 4 mm, 25.4 mm. Okay. Now make a relation this line and this tangent. Okay. select trim entities. Now select these two lines. I think no need, it's already in perfect position. Select fillet and define these two lines 3 mm. Okay. Now this is our geometry. Now we will extrude it. Make sure this point should be 9 point, okay, by default 9.525 mm. Okay. Now select extruded boss. And extrude up to 15.875 mm. Choose mid plane. Okay. Now select here chamfer 2.5 mm and select these inside faces of the hole. Okay. Now see, it's become 40.5 mm chamfer. Now select fillet, keep 0.5 mm. Select one surface and another edge. Select two edges. Okay. Now this is the jaw for 3 jaw puller. Let's define the material. Chrome plating. Rod. So let's start. Choose right plane to sketch and select a line and start from origin point. Draw a vertical line and connect with again origin, exit. Now select this line and make relation vertical. Drag this inside and drag this line also little inside, not just inside. This is the outer line. And connect this point. Okay. Now delete this line and merge here. Okay, now this is the exact geometry. Now let's define. (25 by 4) 25.4 by 2 mm. 7.5 mm. (19.05 by 2 mm. And let's define this. (14.2875 by 2 mm. Now let's define this angle 45 degrees. Now we will define the length. First let's define bottom length. Distance from here to bottom point 31.75 mm. (44.45 mm). this length. .175 mm. Now let's define this length. (165.1 mm). Okay, now our geometry is fully defined. See, so okay, select revolve boss base and select this outer line as the axis. Okay, now choose chamfer. First keep 1 mm and select this face. Okay, now again choose chamfer 0.5 mm. Select this bottom edge. Okay, now here we will create some teeth. So select this face, this sketch, select this outer circle and just convert it. See, it is converted here. Now we will create path for thread. So go to helix and spiral. Select pitch and revolution. And we will select the number of pitch. The number of pitch should be 2.116. Revolution 79 mm 0 degree clockwise. That's it. This is our requirement. Select OK. Now select right plane, sketch, normal, and here we will create teeth path profile. Select both the lines and make relation equal. Okay. Now let's define triangle 45 degrees. Keep 55 mm. Now distance from here to here 2.033. Okay. Now select arc. Select 0.29. Okay. 0.29 mm. Okay. Now select this path, means this helix line, and select this point and make relation pierce. See, it is pierced here. Okay. Now just exit and go to shift cut. Now here profile selected, just select this path. Now it's calculating. It may take, because the threads are very small and complicated, so sometimes it takes more time than actual time. Now it's finished. See, it's calculated. Select OK. Now see, the threads are created. See the thread. Choose fillet. Select 0.5 mm and select this. Okay. taking time because maybe my computer is slow. Okay. Now we want to create some hole here. So select front plane, sketch, normal. First draw a center line. Select line and draw a circle in the center and keep the diameter 10 mm. Okay. And select extruded cut and select here through all both. Okay. Now the hole is going to create. Okay. Now select this top face, sketch, normal. Select polygon. Exit. Select this line, vertical. Okay. Now select this outer circle and convert it. That's it. Now select extruded cut and here choose this outer face. Okay, that's only. Now just extrude up to 15.875 mm. See here. Okay. Taking time because I told you my computer is quite slow. Select 0.5, select this hole and select this edge. Okay. Close. Delete this edge. Now select this circle only. Okay, now our rod is finished. Now we will do one thing, we will assign the color or material. Just go to appearance and select chrome plating. See, this is the chrome plate. Now save this part number 2, rod. Let's go for the next part. Front plane, sketch and draw a circle and keep the diameter 9.95 mm. Okay, and extrude it. Keep the length 200 mm Make sure mid plane. Okay. Now select, go to insert feature and select here dome. Select this face 9.95 by 2 mm. Possible to select both the ends. I think it destroys the face. Delete. Okay. Now again go to insert feature and choose dome and select the same 9.975 mm and select this edge. Okay. Now we will assign the material steel satin finish stainless steel. Save. Now save the part number 3 handle. Okay, so the next part is spider wheel. So choose subplane, sketch, draw a circle, keep the diameter 38.1 mm. Okay, and extrude it, keep mid plane 50.8 mm. Okay. Now select front plane, sketch, normal, select a line, okay. Now let's define this geometry. Distance from upper line 12.7 mm. And from bottom line 2.5 mm. Now define the overall length 53 mm. This length 35 mm. Okay. Now select fillet. First select 3 mm and select this corner. Okay. Now make 5 mm and select this corner. Okay. Now define now do one thing, delete this relation. Again choose fillet. Now define distance from here to here. Mm. Okay. Now distance from this point to this point 13 mm. Okay. Draw a circle here. .875 mm and the distance 38.1 mm and the diameter 6.4 mm. Okay. Select 15 mm. Select OK. Now let's extrude it. Keep mid plane. Select 25.4 mm. Okay. Now we want to make 3 number of this body, so we want to make 3 number of patterns. Select this circle as the axis and here choose 3 number of patterns, equally spacing. OK. Now select this top face, sketch normal, and here we want to create a hole. Keep the diameter 16.6523 mm. OK, and select extruded cut, select through all. OK. Now we will define some fillet. .35 mm, select this edge. So now do one thing, select one by one all these 6 edges. OK. Again choose fillet. .5 mm. Select this corner. OK. Now select chamfer. Now select here 0.5 mm and select this inside face. OK. Now after completing this body, we want to create some thread inside. So we will create thread with the help of our previous part. So let's browse this part. Go to insert, select part. Select our first part rod which we created in our previous tutorial. Open. And here select locate part with move and copy feature. It is very important. Select OK. Make sure it is checked here because it will ask you about the location. Now here we have to select some relation. So select this face and this face and select relation coincident. Add. It's calculating. Now it's added. See, it's come here. OK. Now we will do one thing. We will just minus this part, subtract this rod from this body. So do one thing. Just go to insert feature and select here one option, combine. Select subtract. This is our main body and bodies to combine. Select this part and select here subtract. OK. Now you can see we created thread inside with the help of first part. Now hide this all planes. Now select this face, this sketch, normal, and here we want to cut some hexagon shape. Select hexagon. Keep the length 25 by 4 mm. OK. Now select this outer circle, convert. Select this line, horizontal. Select extruded cut and cut up to bottom 10 mm. can see here. That's it. Now again choose this face, sketch, and draw a circle and make sure it is touched to this point as a tangent. Select extruded cut, and this time choose flip side to cut. And define the degree 60. See here. Okay. This fillet 2 mm. Okay. Again choose fillet 1 mm. Select this edge. Okay. Choose fillet. Keep 5 mm and select 1, 2, 3, 6 edges. Okay. Again choose fillet and this time select 1 mm. Now select this face, and select this bottom faces. Okay. Now we will define some metallic body. Go to painted car. Select metallic gold. And go to appearance and change it. Make yellow. Okay. See, this is the spider wheel. Choose right plane, sketch, and select here center point, straight slot. Make sure it is horizontal. Now define the length. .15 mm. .875 by 2 mm radius. Select circle and define 2 more circles. Now select this diameter 6.35 mm. Okay. Now select both the circle and make relation equal. Okay. And go to sheet metal and select base. And make the thickness 6.35 mm. K factor 0.5. Okay. Now select this face, sketch, and draw a center line which pass through origin. Go to sheet metal and select jaw. Now here we want to create bend. Select this face. See, it already took this face. Degree make 30. And this gap we will make 4.7 mm. See. Select outside offset and reverse direction. Select OK. Now this is our carrier arm wheel is ready. If you select flatten, it becomes flat, and here you will take the dimension. Okay. Now we will assign the material. Go to paint car and select candy apple. Now save this. Part number 5. Carrier arm wheel. Save. Now let's rivet. So let's see. Better choose subplane sketch. Select a line and draw a curve. Draw a horizontal line and connect like this. Now let's define the distance from here to here. 0.125 inch. Point 25 by 2 inch. 0.75 inch. And the distance from here to this line 536 by 2 inch. Okay, now select revolve boss base and select this line as the axis. Okay. Now define the material. Stainless steel. Browse our first part. First part we will keep spider wheel. First part always fixed by default. Right click and you will see here it is asking to float, that means it is fixed. Now insert our next part, rod. Okay. Use mat. Select this face, circular face, and select this face, and select concentric. Okay. Now just go to mechanical map and we want to create screw ratio. Select distance 2.1166. Select first this face and hide the component and select this face. Now again choose 2.1166, reverse. Now right click and show. Okay. Now this is 2.16, this relation created. Select OK. Okay. Now we will see it is okay. Now it is rotating. So we will do one thing first to bring the rod or handle. Just bring handle, open. Now select mat. Select this hole and this rod and make relation concentric. Okay. Now select top plane of rod or front plane of rod and open the handle. Front plane of rod and press Ctrl key and no. plane, both the front plane. Select matte. See, it is coincide relation. Okay. Now see, this is fixed. Okay. Now let's bring the next part. Arm carrier. Now rotate the component. Now select this whole mat and this whole concentric relation. Okay. Back surface and this surface. Okay. Now press Ctrl key and just copy this one part. Now rotate this part. Select mat. Select this hole and this hole. Concentric relation. Okay. Select this face and this face. Okay. Now browse the next component, cooler jaw. First rotate this cooler jaw. Oh, this is the perfect position. Okay. Now select mat. Select this mid hole and this hole. Concentric relation. Select this back surface and this surface. Okay. Now select this hole and this hole. Concentric relation. Okay. Now the first cooler is fixed. Jaw is fixed. Just bring the rivet. Select this whole mat. This reverse direction. Okay. The body, surface, and the back side of rivet. Okay. Now press Ctrl key and copy one rivet. Now rotate this rivet. Select mat. Select this hole. Now concentric relation. The surface of rivet and surface of carrier arm. Concentric. Now see. Now we want to mirror this all parts. So do one thing. Select circular pattern. Here select the component 1, 2, 3, 4 and this rivet. And for circular path, select the circle. And here select 3 number of equal spacing 360 degree. Okay. Now you can see. This is the puller jaw. Now here we will add some nut and bolt. So just go to your library. Select toolbox. Select NC inch. And first go to bolt. Select hexagon head. And select here hexagon finish bolt. just drag, and a window will come here. Here choose 1/4 into 20, and length we will prefer 1.5 mm, and thread length 0.5. okay, and select here schematic. Select OK, and it is asking you need more number of bolts. Select cancel. Now select nut. Select this hole and this bolt. OK. Select this face and select this face. OK. Now we want to bring nut. So go to same and 3-inch nut and select here hexagon nut and choose here hexagon jam nut. Just drag here and it will come here. Choose 1/4 20 double chamfer schematic. Okay. Select no, we want only one. Select this circle mat and select concentric. Okay. Okay. Now here the nut bolt is fixed. We want to add something here. Just edit. And in component add, select this two component also, nut bolt. Select OK. Now see the nut bolt also added. Now this is our 3-jaw puller. I hope you like it. Please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Save this assembly. Now see, you can reduce and anything, adjust anywhere, anytime.